starts next month for its first major journey to Parattah. For that trip, the engine will be running the right way round. Today, it went backwards. No, it wasn't a special St Patrick's Day acknowledgement to Irish logic. There's method in the madness. With no turntable at either the Cadbury siding or Hobart, what goes in backwards can come out frontwards. But as the train steamed through the suburbs, billowing smoke and catching the eye of everyone the giant engine thundered past, it made little difference which way it was going. The H2 just kept on tracking along.
H2 run pretty well as far as I'm concerned. She felt like she was on the days when I worked them.